Hi, today in front of me Oppo A77 and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first let's open the settings and then scroll down to the system settings. Here scroll more down and you will see here developer options section if developer mode is activated. Just tap on developer options section and you will see here developer options switcher. So now just to hide them we should click only once on the switcher, and when we'll go back we could see that the developer options section is scanned successfully. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.